Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Now we will discuss about pattern in percentage. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 177. Pattern in percentage. Children, here one pattern is given. So here you see, this looks like a rainbow. Here 1 is related to 100, 2 is related to 50, then 4 is related to 25, 5 is related to 20, then 10 is related to itself 10. So 1 multiply 100 is 100, 2 multiply 50 is 100, 4 multiply 25 is 100, then 5 multiply 20 is 100. Then 10 multiply 10 is 100. So 1 by 100 equal to 1%. Means 1 by 1 equal to total whole one part. That is 100%. Then 1 by 2 means 50%. That is half. Means 2%. 1 by 50 means 2%. Then 1 by 4th part means 25% and 1 by 25th part is 4%. Then 1 by 5th part is 20% and 1 by 20th part is 5%. So 1 by 10th part is 10%. Just you remember. Here one table is given. Okay. So 1 whole means, already I told you 100% means 1. Decimal point means 1.0 means 1. 1 by 2 half means 50%, that is 0.5. 1 by 4th part is 25%, that is 0.25. 1 by 5th part means 20%, that is 0.2. Like this children, you see all the fraction and their percentage and their decimal number. Okay, and you remember these values. Then application of percentage. Example 11. Find 15% of 300 kg. 15% of means children multiplication. 15% means 15 by 100 multiply 300. Then we get 45 kg. Then comes to example 12. What percent is 15 meter of 300 meter? So 15 by total 300 multiply 100. Okay, then we get the percent. Then example 13. Ashish scored 252 marks out of 300. Find his percentage. So here total scored mark by total 252 by 300 multiply 100. Okay. Then example 14. In a class of 40 students, total students are 40 and 40% are boys. How many girls and boys are there in the class? So first we find the number of boys. 40% of 40. So 40 by 100 multiply 40. Then we get the boys number, that is 16. If we subtract this number from total, then we get easily girls number. 40 minus 16 is 24 girls. Then comes to exercise 13.7. One number, find the value of 10% of 160. 10% means 10 by 100 multiply 160. B bit, 30% of 50 meter. 30 by 100 multiply 50. Okay, here children you see 1 meter. 90% of 1 meter means you have to convert 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Here 2 kg means 2000 gram. 3 liter means 3000 milliliter. Here you first convert, then you find out the value. Just you follow example 11, then you do. Then comes to 2 number. Solve the following. a bit. What percent is 684 of 900? So 684 divided 900 multiply 100. What percent is 36 of 45? Just same to a bit. What is 36% of 45? 36% means children 36 by 100 multiply 45. Then D bit. In a class of 35 students, 20 students are absent. How many students are present? And how many are absent? So 35 students, total students 35. 20% students absent. So 20% means 20 by 100 multiply 35. Okay, these students are absent. 7 students are absent. Then present how much? Just we subtract 35 minus 7. Then we get number of students present. Then E bit. Out of 25,000 that he had, Mr. Pradeep spent this much on his house. What percent of money did he spend? So total money is this much. Okay, he spent this much. So this money divided this money. Multiply 100. Okay, 40%. He spent 40%. Then F bit. Uday, Arati and Sanjana's marks are as follows. Compare these marks by converting into percentage. Who scored the highest mark? So here marks are given and maximum marks also given. Here we find out first Uday. He scored 34 out of 40. So 34 by 40 multiply 100, that is 85%. And Arati, 21 by 25 multiply 100, that is 84%. And in Sanjana, 19 by 20 multiply 100, that is 95%. So, who scored the highest mark? Sanjana scored the highest mark. Then G bit. What is 80% of 50? What is 50% of 80? Compare the two values. First you find out the value, then you compare. H. Out of 6 kg rice, 35% was left. Find the amount of rice consumed. So first children, you find out the amount rice which are left. 6 kg total. So 6 multiply 35 by 100. Okay. Then you, what value you get, then you subtract. Then I bit. Out of 560 mangoes, 448 are ripe and the rest will raw. Find the percentage of raw and ripe mangoes. So first we find out the how much mangoes are raw. 560 minus 448. 112 mangoes are raw. Then you find out the percentage. 112 by 560 multiply 100. Okay. You find out the percentage of ripe mangoes and raw mangoes. Then J bit. In a town of population 49,800, total population is this much. Percentage of men this much. Percentage of women this much. Then rest children. Okay, find the number of men, women and children. And what is the percentage of children? So here children, very easy. Just you read the questions properly. Then you can easily what will do. You first 42% of 49,800 you first find out. Then 38% of 49,800 find out. Then you get the number of men and women. Okay. Total number is given. If you subtract these numbers from total, then you get easily the children number. Then you find out the children percentage. Okay. So like this you complete this exercise. You read the examples properly and follow all the examples. And questions also you read properly. Then you do this questions answers in your copy. Thank you.